Namaskar, my divine family. The universal energies of the world are aligning themselves to give us the cosmic signals for this month. I, Shweta Agarwal, a Mokshpat expert and trainer, proudly bring to you the monthly reading Mokshascope by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste and welcome back to Mokshascope, the guidance from the divine energy of the Mokshpat board. This is for the month of September 2024. Today I'm going to give you the guidance for house number 1, which is all about your self-persona and your personal identity. It is about your self-perception as well as how you project yourself to the world outside. According to the Mokshascope board, you are a person who has a lot of faith in the divine, and please maintain that faith. Keep that trust in the divine. The general reading for this house is very positive with a lot of fresh energy and passion in whatever you do this month. The Mokshpat board is advising you to stay connected with Mother Earth. Stay grounded. You are also advised to maintain balance between your work and your home, since you are a very sincere and a hard-working person. In order to maintain your positive karma and dharma, the Mokshpat board advises you to use your energy, your power, and your resources towards the betterment of society and the universe at large. Look at the bigger picture over here. If you do so, you will experience a deep sense of bliss and contentment. Trust me, you will. Moving to your physical health, the Mokshpat board is advising you to maintain and ensure that your body stays cool. In order to do so, you may practice Anulom Vilom. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.
Namaste, I'm Shweta Kumar. Let's see what Mokshpat has to say for the month of September 2024 for house number 2, which is the house of wealth and resources. So Mokshpat says that this month will be a nice and relaxed month, and you will spend and invest with good intentions. You will feel relaxed with regards to your financial resources and also will spend and invest constructively. You may feel abundant with regards to your material wealth. Mokshpat says that this month, in terms of family and spending time with family, it will be spent in a relaxed manner and an emphasis will be paid to spending time with your family. Mokshpat, however, does caution that in terms of diet and food, we should not approach this month with fear, anger or insecurity. Instead, it should be a balanced approach when it comes to our thoughts and actions towards food and diet. Thank you and have a great month. Namaste.
Namaste. Hello beautiful souls. Welcome to a Mokshascope series. This reading is for the month of September 2024. My name is Karishma and I'm going to speak on the third house, which represents your talents, communication, relationship with friends, siblings, and things to be kept in mind and guidance. So let's know what is in store for this month. The general reading for this house is positive. You will enjoy your time with your family and friends. You will be expressive and will enhance your skills with regards to your talents. Because as you enhance your talent, you will also enhance your networking skills and will create a good purpose and direction in your professional and personal life. You have the right knowledge and wisdom to put things forward because of your experiences. You will get opportunities to communicate at the right place and at the right time. You will be unbiased and will inspire people. Your relationship with friends is good. You will plan outings as you have the desire to balance these relationships and be connected. Relationship with siblings will see some positive changes as you will strengthen the connections with compassion and kindness for everyone's well-being, and will also take responsible actions. Even if there is a criticism, remember, take it positive, as there is a hidden message which is coming through them. You are an emotional person and you think from your heart. You express yourself either too much or you hide it. This month you may get attracted to color green, as this will maintain balance in you. You are a person who tends to forgive people, but there are some grudges that you need to let go even if they are hard. Things to be kept in mind is that you need to breathe life into your relationship with self and with others. Sometimes do things that you like, and at times give in to other people's choices. Let go, forgive, don't sacrifice. Keep a desire to do things for people. When you desire, you're happy, but when you sacrifice, you become a victim. Guidance is that you need to be careful that your speech is creative and constructive, as this will help you to express and have good relationships around you. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste everyone, Lakshita here. I am going to do Mokshascope September reading for house number 4 relates to domestic harmony and roots. This month, focus on creating balance and harmony in your home life and physical living arrangements by decluttering, organizing, or establishing a consistent daily routine. Reflect on your relationship with your mother or maternal figures by cultivating compassion, empathy, and gratitude. Explore your emotional connections to your family heritage, cultural traditions, and ancestral roots, leading to a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. This guidance encourages you to create harmony in your home life, nurture relationships with your mother by spending quality time, explore your roots and heritage, cultivate self-awareness and introspection. Remember, this guidance is meant to inspire personal growth, self-exploration, self-reflection, and spiritual exploration. Embrace these themes and insights that resonate with you and navigate this month with intention and awareness. Thank you. Signing off for now. Stay tuned and stay connected. Namaste.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful souls out there. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing you the cosmic insights for the month of September 2024 for house number 5, which focuses on parenthood and duty. The general reading for this house comes with a positive box with new ideas and boundless creativity, and telling us that out of the box thinking is possible. You will be able to communicate openly with loved ones, but be aware of ego in interpersonal relationships, especially children. There could be miscommunication, which could lead to isolation from loved ones. There will be a need to resolve conflicts with honesty and establish healthy boundaries. For fulfillment of your duties and dharma, as well as moral obligation, the board guides the way towards cultivating balance and a state of stability which is devoid of any bias or judgment. Stay neutral in conflicts for healthier and harmonious connections. Stay steadfast on your path of dharma and not get influenced by external factors. Remember, knowledge and wisdom will guide you in shaping your sense of duty and morality. Acquiring the right knowledge and wisdom will show you the path towards your duty and bring a sense of evolution in your spiritual journey. To sum it up, if you selflessly do your dharma with right knowledge, you will be able to fulfill your moral obligations and duty towards your parents and children as well. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates.
नमस्ते, मैं मीनू लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए गाइडेंस फॉर सितंबर 2024 अकॉर्डिंग टू मोक्षपट बोर्ड फॉर हाउस नंबर 6। हाउस नंबर 6 रिप्रेजेंट करता है लीगल इश्यूज, अफेयर्स, एनिमीज एंड हसल। तो इस महीने आपका कुछ बातों से मोह भंग होगा। वो कोई व्यक्ति भी हो सकता है, कोई सिचुएशन, आपकी कोई लिमिटिंग बिलीफ या फिर आपकी कोई ऐसी आदत जिसे आप बहुत दिनों से छोड़ना चाहते थे लेकिन छोड़ नहीं पा रहे थे। तो इस महीने आप अपने विवेक से सोच विचार करके उन सभी चीज़ों को अपनी लाइफ से एलिमिनेट कर पाएंगे। लीगल इश्यूज की बात करें तो कुछ ऐसे तथ्यों का पता चलेगा आपको जिन पर आपका पहले ध्यान नहीं था। तो पूरी तरह से जांच पड़ताल करके डॉक्यूमेंट्स, पेपर्स प्रिपेयर करके अच्छी तरह से आगे बढ़ेंगे तो कानूनी मामलों में आपको सफलता या सफलता के संकेत मिल सकते हैं। अब बात करते हैं संबंधों की। तो आपका अपने आप से प्रगाढ़ संबंध बनेगा, मीनिंग यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट what you truly desire, what you will try to align with your higher self, your purpose of life, meaning of life। तो इस तरह से सोच विचार करके अपने विवेक के साथ, अपनी स्पष्ट चेतना के साथ आप आगे बढ़ेंगे तो आप अपने अंदर छिपी हुई कुछ प्रतिभाओं को निखारने का प्रयास करेंगे। फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही। आपका ये माह शुभ हो, मंगल हो, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ। टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड। बाय।
You just witnessed the first 6 videos out of 12. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Mokshapat. Mokshapat is the ancient Vedic science of divination through the board of snakes and ladder. Created by rishis and munis back in the 13th century, this board helps us align our karmic path with our soul purpose and soul path. This board can be the solution to every question and every problem in your life. Now let's watch the rest of the 6 videos.
Namaste. Moving to the divine guidance for house number 7 for the month of September 2024. House number 7 is associated with marital partnership and other relationships. The Mokshapat board is advising you to let go of your expectations for now from certain relationships that are going through a challenging phase currently. Don't get too emotional about it. If your relationship with your spouse or your life partner is a little unstable right now, it could be because of some misinformation or some negative information being fed to your spouse. Someone might be trying to instigate your partner against you or misguiding you against your partner. Therefore, you are advised to handle this situation with a lot of maturity, a calm energy, a focused energy, and resolve the situation. As far as your other relationships are concerned, you are advised by the Mokshapat board to strengthen the existing relationships with mutual love and understanding. Every relationship is a two-way street. Make sure it continues that way. And simultaneously, you're advised to develop new and nurturing relationships. Moving to the next aspect, which is regarding the health of your internal sexual organs, which are absolutely fine. There's nothing to worry about. In fact, there is good news for those of you who are thinking of moving towards parenthood. There are very good chances of you or your spouse conceiving during this period. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.
Namaskar, I am Shweta Kumar. Let's see what Mokshapat has to say for the month of September 2024. For house number 8, which is the house of transformation and crisis. Mokshpat says this month to embrace and acknowledge our individuality, to look at things from a higher and bigger perspective and not to get stuck in rigid or restricted perspective. This month, if we have a balanced and harmonious approach in life, it will lead to our inner transformation and growth. And if any challenges do approach us or any crisis comes our way, we will be able to navigate through it. In matter of taxes, we should not avoid anything in this area. Also, when challenges come, we should approach with a balanced and stable mindset. The overall guidance for this month is to tap into the cosmic knowledge and approach things with balance and with a good perspective, leading to overcoming obstacles and inner transformation. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaste, this is Shilpa Shah and I am here to present the horoscope of house number 9 from September 1st to September 30th for the year 2024. The general reading is positive, yet it is crucial to communicate clearly and respectfully as your words can have a significant impact on others. Effective communication requires thoughtfulness to ensure your messages are kind and precise. The first attribute of this house is destiny, can be influenced by knowledge and ignorance. So use this time to gather relevant information from positive outcomes. The second attribute, fate. This month will be shaped by your choices and actions. So make right decision for favorable results. Traveling, the third attribute is suggesting when traveling, embrace cultural exchanges with humility and respect rather than as status symbol. Fourth attribute is the house of devotion, highlights the importance of fully committing to your family, home or work environment with love and care. The fifth fortune awaits those who align themselves with these attributes. Yes, this will bring success and prosperity this month by aligning yourself with these values and actions, which will lead to favorable outcomes. That's all from house number 9. Thank you. Please take good care of yourself.
Namaste everyone, this is Kashika Rakhiani and now I'll talk about house number 10 for the month of September 2024 through Mokshpat. Now house number 10 stands for job, profession, business, career or social standing. Overall, this month is going to be very positive for you in these areas. A word of caution that you really need to take care of your surroundings and people around you. See who is negative and who is positive for you, your profession and your business. You really need to take care of people who are not having good intentions regarding you. Now overall this month is good. You can expect a change of place or change of job or whatever change you are looking forward in your profession or career this month. Looking at social standings, you really need to have knowledge about people around you. Do not indulge yourself into negative people or negative behaviors that people have around you. That's all for this month. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Shikha Jain and today I am going to do your reading for house number 11 for the month of September. House number 11 stands for gains and aspirations, and the overarching theme for this month is full of fragrance, new hopes and aspirations. The only urge is to transcend beyond your personal likes and dislikes. So the key guidance from the board for this month includes avoiding overindulgence. That means practice moderation and self-control. Be disciplined, which means practice more of discipline and willpower to attain your life purpose or this month's purpose. Avoid negative thinking and doubts or any limiting belief which is holding you back to attain what you want to achieve this year. Also, focus on the path of dharma, which means take right action, align yourself with your direction and purpose, and do it the right way. And fifth is foremost is don't compare yourself with others. You are on your own growth path and others have their own journey. So trust your own journey. By aligning yourself with all these 5 principles, you would be able to attract the energies, the positive energies of house number 11. So happy September to all of you. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Sheetal and today I am going to do the reading for Mokshscope Horoscope House number 12 for the month of September 2024. House 12 represents charity, chaos, loss and losses, indulgence and moksha, which influence our spiritual journey and personal growth. Overall reading for this house as per Mokshpat is positive and in harmony. Charity represents the selfless desire to help others with finances or with a voluntary service, and the Mokshpat reading is indicating clarity on this area, which suggests that your efforts will be meaningful. Chaos and confusion sometimes can act as a catalyst for your personal transformation, but requires working to your inner issues. Here the Mokshpat guides you to cultivate awareness, which helps you to identify what is holding you back and let go of what no longer serving you. And by doing this, you will create a sense of bliss and the contentment. Losses can be in various areas like financial, relationship, emotional, spiritual. However, Mokshpat guidance is to reframe these setbacks for the opportunities to cosmic good, leading to overall growth. You can do this by broadening your thinking and letting go of the attachment for the specific result, by having a faith that everything is working for your highest good. Indulgence can be in various forms such as escapism, spirituality, and hidden desires. As Mokshpat suggests that when the indulgence is directed towards spiritual growth, it can be a powerful tool for expanding cosmic consciousness. So, instead of getting stuck in the negative pattern, you can harness the energy to cultivate the mindfulness. Mokshpat is guiding you to practice sanctity, which means the purity of soul, which is necessary for the moksha by practicing meditation, prayers, compassion and kindness. It will help you to purify your thoughts and create stronger connection with yourself and the universe. Thank you.
Well, this was the end of this month's reading. Thank you so much for watching us on Mokshscope. Mokshscope is basically a reading of the energies of the month, and I hope that this month's reading helps you navigate your month with ease, peace and grace. If you have a problem, do write into me or DM me and I will be happy to respond. But till the next month, follow and subscribe us. See you all soon.